Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with the Roe Knives Hostile Intent for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Look at this. So, real quick unboxing, unpouching. This is a nice pouch with some velvety, fuzzy interior. Nice and protective storage solution. And you got this certificate of authenticity for the Hostile Intent, which is going to tell you the model, the material, the finish, the date, and when it was made. So that's something really cool. And of course, you've got this carbon fiber liner lock. This is a custom knife, and you can tell because it's man-made. You can definitely tell that for sure. You can see a nice carbon fiber set of scales right above. Pretty cool titanium liners. These appear to be like bead blasted, like sand blasted. And then you've got a very nice Mokutai clip with some hidden hardware matching the pivot collars on both sides. And of course, a nice Mokutai backspacer. Look at that. So it's a really interesting knife. Not too big. The overall length of this guy is going to be 7.5 inches with, I would say, like 3.2 overall inch long blade, but a little bit under 3 inch in cutting edge. I would say like 2.8, with the overall length of the handle at about 4.25 inches. So not that big. It's very interesting. It's like it's an kind of like a modern gentleman's knife because of the material used, and the sound also is like very interesting. It's subdued. It's nothing loud. It's very contained. It's classy. In the hand, it could be a little bit better. I would have preferred a little bit more room for the disengagement of the lock bar and a little bit more chamfering, but it's all right. At the end of the day, it feels good in the hand, and there's no hot spots, so that's what really counts. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.